Penis. So yeah, I got scammed on AliExpress. It's big disappointment, but I'm gonna keep this simple. I'm gonna start over. Alright, I'm gonna keep this a simple video, is what I say every time, and then I proceed to not do it and ruin the intro every time without failure. So as I was saying, yeah, as it says in the title, I got scammed on AliExpress, which is kind of expected at this point. And here's the thing, right off the bat, I'm not gonna say AliExpress in general is a scam or it's not a scam. It's just a seller platform similar to like eBay or Amazon, where people can sell things, and they usually come from China. So it's hit or miss. And this was a huge miss, because here's the deal. These are SSDs. And these are not the SSDs I ordered by a landslide, because these are the SSDs I ordered. Yes, I, for Christmas, wanted to get a ton of these Christmas-themed SSDs, because in China, they make the funniest fucking Christmas-themed computer parts ever. Can you grab me that SSD over there? So 2 years ago, I got this. This is one of my favorite SSDs of all time. This is the King Spec Christmas SSD. And it says, "Merry Christmas. Gift comes, bring out the best," which is just amazing. Can you read that from here?
Yeah.
Just fucking amazing. So this drive has been sold out or non-existent ever since, and I haven't been able to get another one. There's a 120 gigabyte SATA drive. It's probably crap underneath here. It's just, I wanted this. So I ordered a ton of them. I ordered 6 here, and I actually have 6 more on the way, which hopefully will be the right ones, but I doubt it. So I ordered this, and I got these. I got 6 of these. I ordered 6 different drives, 3 of each type. These weird, like, Christmas Russia ones, and these other ones, which, you know, are also just random Christmas themes. And even the title states that these are Christmas drives. And I got a bunch of these. These cased-in, garbage, knockoff plastic pieces of shit. I'm gonna find something to do with them. You know, I can't like sell them or anything, because I would not put one of these in an actual computer. Well, like I wouldn't use one of these as a consumer drive or anything. It's just, they're not good. And how do I know they're not good? Well, I took one apart. I broke one in half very quickly, and this is what they look like on the inside. Yeah, not much to look at, but you may notice, if you know about drives, that there's something missing. It is a DRAM cacherless SSD, which means it is essentially the worst of the worst, and in some cases, can even perform worse than a spinning hard drive. See, we've got our 2 flash cells and our controller there, so that's how you know it's DRAM-less here. Let me point with the DRAM, that's not DRAM, that's the flash cells, you see it? See the flash cells? And then we got the controller right there. And I verified that this does, in Windows at least, appear as a 256 gigabyte drive. Some of these are... You missed that, didn't you?
Dude, I can't predict you being a dumbass.
Yes, you can! I dropped it, but of course the cameraman misses it yet again. What are you, 3 for 3 on missing things I dropped?
Hey, 2 for 2. Give me some credit.
Where's the... No, 3 for 3, I think. I dropped 2 SSDs in the last video. So some of these are 128. This one's 256. But yeah, they're literally garbage. Now, they're still technically solid-state drives, one way or another, so, like I said, they can be used, but, again, not for anything important. So what I'm actually going to do with them, and you'll see this in a coming video, is I have a server that is going to be loaded into a bunch of VMs for a big project I'm working on, and I'm basically just going to, you know, load these into the drive caddies and use those as the boot disks for the VMs. The boot disk for the server is not going to be one of these, because again, I don't trust these. But for VMs, to use them as boot disks is relatively fine, because if we lose a drive, which we probably will because they're garbage, then, you know, you just have to remake the VM with a different drive. So I'll be using those 6 in that server build. But just to finish off opening these up, because I want to put them in the server sooner rather than later. Yep, they're all the same. They're all fucking garbage. You know, literally just crap drives. I'm disappointed. This is the plastic, and this one's a 256. Woo. So I got 3 256 gigs and 3 128s, which is almost, it's like a terabyte. So that's not it's not a terrible amount of storage, just all garbage. So that's disappointing. So here's the thing. I knew they were going to be crap drives. They're Chinesium garbage that have misspelled Christmas things on them and apparently the Russian flag. Yeah, but the point was they were going to be China garbage, but they were going to be Christmas themed. So it's worth it. You know, it's going to be something like this. I would like more of these. King Spec, if anyone knows anyone at King Spec who can get me more of these ones, I would like 100 of these. You know, you don't really have to do zooms on a still video.
It's fun.
Digital zoom is fine.
It's fun.
So realistically, I'm very disappointed. And yes, I would consider it getting scammed. That's why the title. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I ordered one thing and got another. And I'm guessing the person, here's the thing. You'd have to be a real big fucking moron to mess this up. I ordered drives that look like this. I ordered 2 different drives. I clearly ordered 2 different drives. At the very least, if I got like 3 black drives and 3 red ones or something, then I would kind of understand. You know, and I'd think, okay, it's just sheer incompetence. But I ordered 2 different drives. Entirely 2 different looking drives. And I got 6 of the same looking drive in the same package. Which means it's either so much negligence that it's a scam, or it's purposefully a scam to make you buy it and then know that, yeah, I'm probably not going to return these because I'm not going to send them all the way back to fucking China. I don't feel like doing that. I might report that I didn't get the items delivered because I didn't get what I ordered. They never got here. But what I do with that, I don't know. I'll use them for something. I don't let drives go to waste like this, but just letting you guys know, sometimes that does happen with things like AliExpress. You kind of take a gamble, especially with when there's like a lot of different people selling the same exact item. There are a lot of sellers selling these Christmas drives or these cased-in drives, which is kind of seems like a ripoff of Kingston, but with Samsung's look here, but whatever. So, yeah, that's about it. Just, I'm disappointed with my AliExpress order. I was hoping for Christmas I would have a whole video with a bunch of different Christmas drives. I ordered like 4 different Christmas drives with like Santa and stuff, but looks like we'll just be sticking to this one for now, and we'll be adding it to our Chinesium stack. With that, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed my little talking video about how I got scammed on AliExpress, and I'm very disappointed about it. Sorry that there won't be a Christmas SSD video this year. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.